Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're holding Ethereum on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it to Coinbase, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process for 2025, making sure it's safe, simple, and stress-free. Let's dive in. First off, before you start, make sure your Ledger Nano X is updated to the latest firmware. Head to the Ledger website if you need to. You'll also need a Coinbase account set up with an Ethereum wallet address ready to go. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and unlock it with your PIN. Once that's done, open the Ethereum app on your device. This is your gateway to managing your ETH. Step 2. Launch Ledger Live on your computer. It's the official app for handling transactions. Select your Ethereum account from the dashboard to get started. Step 3. In Ledger Live, click on the Send button. Now, carefully enter your Coinbase Ethereum wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Copy and paste it directly from Coinbase for accuracy. Step 4. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to network updates. Aim for the lowest fee that works for you. Step 5. Hit Continue and confirm the details on your Ledger device's screen. You'll need to approve the transaction using the buttons on your Nano X. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. It usually takes a few minutes. And there you have it. Your Ethereum should now show up in your Coinbase account. Remember, crypto transactions aren't instant, so keep an eye on your wallet. If you run into any issues, Ledger support or Coinbase Help Center can guide you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.